Just a day before Delhi University admissions, thousands of students are caught between an ugly turf war between the Delhi University and the UGC. Students hit the streets in protest after the university refused to scrap the 4-year undergraduate course despite clear instructions from the UGC. The face-off has led some of its affiliated colleges to defer their admissions procedure till the issue is resolved. The Delhi University colleges expect a delay in the admission process this year, and caught in the crossfire are over 2.5 lakh students applying for the first-year programs.
The 4 years undergraduate program, which has been unilaterally imposed by the DUVC, the students and teachers of DU have been protesting for last 1 year. From ISA, we had conducted a referendum where around 12,000 students came and voted, and 91% students voted against FIUP. We communicated it to the Vice Chancellor, but he has been giving a deep ear to the issue. The DUTA, the elected Teachers Association, has been protesting against. We believe that the issue of FIUP must not be left to the whims and fancies of the individual principals. There must be an homogeneous order directive from the university itself.
हमारी मांग आज ये है कि MHRD मिनिस्टर, दिल्ली DU के मिनिस्टर जो भारत के राष्ट्रपति है, उनके थ्रू आज ही के आज FIU को स्क्रैप करे और DUVC को इस्तीफा दे, और कल के डेट में जो एडमिशन हो वो 3 साल एनुअल सिस्टम में। जब तक स्मृति हमारी हमसे नहीं मिलती है MHRD मिनिस्टर, हम यहाँ से नहीं जाएंगे। उसके बाद हम DU के विजिटर राष्ट्रपति उनके पास भी अपना मेमोरेंडम लेके डेलीगेशन लेके मिलने जाएंगे।
बच्चों के लिए किसी प्रकार की कोई कंफ्यूजन की स्थिति नहीं है। कोई भी सरकारी आदेश होता है वो कोई भी अधिकारी हो उसको मानना ही पड़ता है, और इसमें बच्चों का किसी प्रकार का नुकसान नहीं होगा, ये निश्चित है। कई बार इस तरह की स्थिति पहले भी हुई है। BITA कोर्स चलता था पहले, और वो 4 साल का पूरा होने के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी ने उसको रोल बैक किया था, तो उसमें भी ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई थी। इस बार भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी।
अभी तक तो वो नेशनल पॉलिसी का उल्लंघन कर रहे थे, और अब वो UGC एक्ट का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं। आज की डेट तक हमारे VC UGC एक्ट का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं, और UGC वो उल्लंघन होने नहीं देगी, क्योंकि UGC केवल छात्रों के भविष्य को देख रही है। अभी तक वो अपना रुख साफ नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि वो भी जानते हैं कि UGC जो है वो एक्ट का उल्लंघन नहीं करने देगी। उनको मानना पड़ेगा, उनको अपनी तानाशाही छोड़नी पड़ेगी।
Well, early HRD Minister Smriti Irani met with UGC officials at her ministry, but sources have told Headlines today that for the record, the students have refused to really handle the issue. Our cameras caught the HRD Minister after a marathon meeting with the UGC, but she ducked all questions. Top sources within the ministry telling us that for now, the VC is digging in his heels. The centre could question the legal validity of the course on 3 points. Sources tell us that the government will press the point that the course got no approval from the Honourable President of India, that it has not been approved by the UGC, and that due process was not followed during the entire course and its introduction.
सर ये बताइए, कुछ डिसीजन निकलने की उम्मीद है कि नहीं?
वेट कर रहे हैं रिप्लाई का उनका।
दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का
सर DU आप ही की बात नहीं मान रहा, UGC ने क्लियर कट बोल दिया, तो फिर भी आपकी बात नहीं मान रहे।
सर एडमिशन लिस्ट कब तक आएगी? कुछ दोपहर बाद सर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करेंगे,
बताएंगे।
ठीक है सर, रहने दो।
The UGC has strictly ordered the Delhi University that admissions for the undergraduate program should be made only under the 3-year program, which was prevalent prior to the introduction of that 4-year program, which is now the reason for the controversy, or else the ultimatum is that they will face action under the UGC Act of 1956. The Commission has also warned that if the varsity does not comply with the orders, it will also withdraw grant facility to the colleges, as the FYUP violates the National Education Policy of the year 1986, which advocates the 10+2+3 system. And joining us on that story is our correspondent Maushami. She joins us live from outside the HRD ministry. Maushami, our sources have informed Headlines today that the government will not interfere in this standoff, but we do know and are aware of Smriti Irani and the HRD ministry stand in this case.
See, if you look at the entire row, the latest update is this, that there might be a resolution. The matter might be resolved by the evening today. Admissions is supposed to take place tomorrow, and the highly placed sources in the HRD ministry have confirmed that they would be upping the ante. They would be talking about how the legality of the entire FYUP program is in question. While the Delhi University was administering the program, no permission was taken from the President of India or the UGC while the program was being implemented. So the entire premise of the program is illegal, not tenable, and therefore the Delhi University has no other way but to comply with the UGC orders. These are the latest updates. We did speak to the Education Secretary. We have him on our camera, Ashok Thakur, and we did ask him whether the matter would be resolved today, because they had high-level meetings with the UGC chairman and the Delhi University Vice Chancellor, sitting together with the Education Secretary and all the other officials from the various departments. And this high-level meeting, which about lasted for 2 hours, ended, and after that the HRD minister was briefed by the UGC chairman about the entire controversy. Now the education secretary, in our question whether the matter would be resolved today, has confirmed that there would be some resolution by the evening.